In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze layers in AutoCAD. Freezing layers is one of the quickest ways to clean up what you see on screen and speed up your drawing's performance, especially in large or complex files. When a layer is frozen, AutoCAD temporarily takes it out of the regeneration process, which means those objects won't display, won't update, and won't slow you down while you work. It's different from simply turning a layer off, and we'll touch on that as we go. Start by opening your drawing, then head to the Home tab. In the Layers panel, click Layer Properties to open the Layer Properties Manager. This is your control room for everything related to layers, names, colors, line types, and most importantly for today, visibility and performance settings. Next, find the layer you want to freeze. You'll see a list of every layer in the drawing, typically with columns for status, color, line type, and so on. Identify the layer by the name your team uses or by attributes like color or line type if that's how you organize your file. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct layer, especially on projects with many similar names. Now look for the freeze column. It's marked with a small snowflake icon. Click the snowflake next to your target layer to toggle it on. You'll notice the icon changes, confirming that the layer is frozen. Keep in mind, AutoCAD won't allow you to freeze the current layer, so be aware of which layer is set current before you click. Once frozen, every object on that layer disappears from view and no longer regenerates. That's the key advantage over just turning a layer off. Turning a layer off hides it, but the objects can still influence performance during certain operations. Freezing removes them from those calculations, which can make panning, zooming, and plotting smoother on heavy drawings. It also reduces accidental selections because frozen objects are effectively out of the session until you bring them back. If you need the layer again, simply click the snowflake icon in the freeze column a second time to unfreeze it. The objects on that layer will return to the display and behave normally. If you don't see them right away, a quick zoom or pan usually refreshes the view. That's all there is to it. Open Layer Properties, find your layer, toggle the snowflake to freeze, and toggle it again to unfreeze. Use this whenever you want a cleaner workspace and faster performance without permanently changing your drawing.